So today let's look at equations involving indices. Equations involving indices. How are we able to deal with such? Question number 1. It is given that 5 to the power negative 2 times 5 to the power k is equal to 1. Write down the value of k. This value of k, what will be the value of k? So let us try to rewrite this. Now I'll make everything to have base 5. You are aware 1. We know how we can write 1. For it to have a base 5, it is 5 to the power 0. Why have I picked 5? Because I want it to have the same bases on both sides, right? We know any number to the power 0 apart from 0 to the power 0 is 1, right? So even if it was 4 to the power 0, we know it's 1. 8 to the power 0, 1. Even this 5 to the power 0, 1. Now we have picked 5 because we know we need to have the same bases on both sides. Then we move on. We know whenever we have the same bases, under laws of indices, they say write a single base and add the powers, right? And add the powers. So it means here we have this, right? So 5 to the power 0, same as 1. We haven't changed anything. So whenever we have same bases and you are multiplying, the law says we should add the powers, as you can see. So now we also wrote other concepts the other day. Whenever we have equal signs and same bases, what we're supposed to do is to cancel those same bases, and equate the powers. Equate what remained. We remained with this, negative 2 plus k is equal to 0. So here we need to make k the subject of the formula, meaning k must remain alone. So negative 2 will cross to become plus 2. It will mean k is a 2. So the value of k is a 2. So this is what you're supposed to do. Question 2. Find a in 125 to the power a is equal to 5. So we'll do the same, a similar thing. We need to have same base on both sides. So now, since we have a 5 here, we know it's 5 to the power 1. With a power, it must be visible. 5 to the power 1, same as 5. We haven't changed anything. Now, what about 125 to the power a? How can we rewrite 125? Look at this. We know 5 squared is just 25, right? What about 5 to the power 3? This one to mean 5 times 5 times 5, it will give you 125. So instead you write 5 to the power 3, but there is a, so it will be 5 to the power 3a, right? So even here, we have gotten the same bases on both sides. So now cancel the same bases and equate the powers. So we remained with 3a is equal to 1, right? So now make a the subject of the formula. You divide both sides by a3 because you don't want a3 to be here. You divide both sides. So now a3 and a3 they cancel. It means only a has remained. Then here we have 1 over 3. So a represents 1 over 3. This is what you're supposed to do.